Hello sir, welcome to the project demonstration of Group 17, the project Lost and Found. First is the project overview. The problem definition that we aim to solve is the urbanization challenges. The first one is the people in this area difficult in locating the location of where they lost item. The next one is the emotional distress that they have during the when they lost an item. And the next one is the time consuming search. In this process, it's very time consuming to start, and it is very and it costs a lot of efforts to find their item. Therefore, we propose the load and found application and the app overview. With that, in the first step, we can post an announce to the loss, and in the second step, we will receive notification immediately for every post in our platform. And in the third step, that we will chat with the people that help us to found. And the fourth step is we found successfully with the community support. Therefore, our value proposition is that we reunite people with lost items and people who are dedicating in support people to find some items. The next one is that we can reduce the change in the procedure of item search. And in the third value proposition is that we aim to centralize loss and found tracking. For the competitor analysis, the loss and we specialize in the loss and found. And then we do not need requirement. We do not need our equipment and location, and we have also support location checking and privacy and security. These competitions are compared with Facebook group and Thai. And our unique selling point that we category research the crowdsourcing system, the category research by we add the tag to help people can optimize their search more efficiently. Also, we are the crowdsourcing system that we also identify we also identify the power of search, and finally the location reporting. And next is our core features. For the first feature, it is the sign up and sign in. Here we go to the sign up and sign in screen, and the technology we use in this phase is the file-based authentication. That this file-based will authenticate the user via the email and password. And the next one is the user profile. Here we have the profile including the post, the profile including the information of user, and in the profile information, user can edit the profile. The mechanism for this for how we can do this is that we will the file-based file store, and this database will store the data of user, and we can update the user as well. Next is post management, that we can create post, view post, and search and filter post. For the create post, we will update the post to the file store storage. Next, for the view post and the search and filter post, we will query the post from the database, and it will return only the post that match with our criteria. And next is the post management. That is, we can edit the post by update the post information again and delete the post. The operations will be conducted via the file-based and via the delete and update and delete feature in file-based. And next is the active application that we can toggle between live mode and dark mode. For toggling, we use a variable called color system theme, and this will and we can toggle assign the UI, the value of UI window application. And for the real-time feature, we support real-time notification, real-time chat, and real-time messages. For real-time notification, when someone creates a post successfully, we will when someone creates a post successfully, we will try to notify them, send the notification, and we will get the notification. We'll get the occurrence of the new created notification. For the chat, the mechanism is really similar. Is that someone will have will check the application to check whether there is some updated in the chat, If yes, it will it will fetch the updated data again and update it to the UI view. And for the real-time message, this will appear similar that we will check if there any message again. If yes, we will get the real-time message. And this is the end for the overview of the implementation. Now, Phúc will present now Mr. Phúc will present the system architecture.
Okay, so next I will be presenting the system architecture and some of the UI UX elements of our app. So first, this is the data persistence or the entity relation diagram. Uh, our application have five main models, as you can see. We have hosts, which is the core of our applications. We have users, which according to the requirements need to be saved. We have notifications so that the user can be notified when there are new posts. And also user can fetch the list of notifications. We have also chats and messages so that users can have real-time communication with others to speed up the um, item retrieval process. So next is the data flow model of our application. As you can see here, there are these are the five main models, and they have the repository. Our application is divided into five main layers. Uh, the three layers that follow the MVVM model is the view layer, which you can see at the top, and then the view model layer, which keep track of all the logic of the displaying, keep track of the logic of displaying stuff to the viewer, or the user. I mean, and then the model is where the actual data is being stored, and then the service is where most of our application business logic is happening, and this is also where the communication between these services or these modules are being made, and then the repository is for communicating with Firebase. And here are the list of the technology used by our applications. So mainly we're using Firebase and also some location features and a Kingfisher caching. So Firebase core is for configuring connection with Firebase. And Firebase off is for easy user authentication. And then Firebase 5.4 is used for storing data regarding post user and all the models that I have explained earlier. And then co-location is for the device location. Map for displaying items uh, in the post on the map, and Kingfisher or for easy download and caching images efficiently. So I'll talk about some of the design elements. This is the first theme that we have chosen. Uh, the main color of our application is going to be dark pink, and we chose this because of its strong contrast with visibility. And then we also chose the default blue color of Apple. These two colors complement white background in light mode, and also, but also stands out against black background in dark mode. And also these ensure accessibility and readability. So next is about intuitive user interface. So our application have straightforward navigation and clear input flows. And then for the main home view of our application, we have the tab view with the tab menu below, so you can easily navigate between the views. You can also swipe between the views for easier navigation. You can also easily switch between lost and found items, as you can see over here. All these elements enhances visibility for accessing related content. And also for consistency, as I have mentioned earlier, we use the same color scheme throughout our application. We also use only the SF Pro display font consistency check. Also, icons and labels are added into actions for easier recognition. And then for user-centered design, we have simplified actions and straightforward onboarding with clear instructions. We can, as I mentioned before, switch easily between lost and found items. We also have tags for easy push filtering and the steps to reduce to complete tasks. So for our conclusion. Um, so this project really helped to enhance our technical skills in Swift. Before we haven't done any project in this language. So it helps it focus more on user-centric design and also improves our collaboration on GitHub. For further development, we would like to implement AI for better tagging and categorization. And we also want to include a verified host registration system for item storage. And additionally, we want to develop an advanced suggestion system for matching lost and found posts, maybe an advanced algorithm. So that's it for presentation. Next, we have our demonstration.
Hello, I'm Ling, and now I will be live demonstrating our app features, including the registration, signing in, and the user profile. So this is our app icon, and we'll start with an animated splash screen. Then it will be navigated to the sign form. Now I will demonstrate the sign up. So I will create a new account. And now I will test if I can sign up without the password. So you can see that it has the validation for the password. So I will enter my password here and I will click sign up. Then we're navigated to the app's feed view where you can see all the posts. And here's the user profile with the username. So currently I don't have any avatar and there's no post because I haven't posted anything. And I can swipe right to see my information with the email, the phone, and the file. So I will try to edit my profile and I can set my file here. I can change my avatar and I can save and you can see that the profile is updated. And then I will sign out and demonstrate the login function. So I will be logged into an existing account. Try sign in without entering the password. It will bring out the validation message and sign in. So as you can see, I'm signing as Bunby, and here's the information. Now I will also demonstrate our app theme in the settings. So here's our dark mode. You see all the features in the dark mode. And with the light mode, here's all the features in the light mode. And now Farm will be demonstrating the rest of it.
Okay, now it will be my turn. I'll be demoing about the CRUD, the post management. As you can see, this is the post page of the application. You can see all the log posts, the accounts, the dates, and the caption and the pictures. You also can see the last the positions where the owner updated, the owner of the post updated, the location, coordinate. You also view it on the map. You can see. Definitely, you can also use this map for all the items surrounding it. Since this is quite far from Vietnam, I think it's only show one item here. But on this map, there will be a more than one item. It should be all the posts with different colors. Red will be lost and green will be found. Now I'll demo on some the when I want to change to found item. Here are the list of found items where I can contact those people to ask for my information, which I'll demo later. You can also filter by the items like this. And for example, in the wallet, there are two. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet in the park. I can combine the search by park, and it's just the only one when I click on search. Yes. Now when that it would be normal. Now I'll be creating post. I found the bag. Now I'll use this image as a bag location. Since I'm using geo folder, when I type the location in, it will automatically convert into long string that's good to me. For example, Ho Chi Minh City Hall, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And what I lost is a bag. Actually, I can choose more than one, but for now, I'm just losing a bag. I'm choosing type found lost. For example, I found the bag. Click on post, and found item. As you can see, it'll be rendered here. Found the bag. Nếu mà which is me, which is location coordinate. Let's see. It'll be located at the Ho Chi Minh City Hall, right? Where I pinned the name. I also edit it. For example, found the bag. Be more specific. Add we have three and save. Here, I found the bag and we have three. You also delete the post. Oh, I think the image might take a lot of time to load, but I already delete the post. Yep, I see the post is gone. Oh. Now, if someone found their bag, I can chat with them. You can actually see the real-time chat. Yes. And as you can see, the thread will be in real time, and there will also be a lock thread, and the messenger will also update while you add the list of message. So that's a new update on it. When I create, I forgot to mention, when I create the order, to also notify all the users when something has been found or something lost, so that everyone can share the as a community to help other people resolve their missing items. And I would like to also mention that the chat here will be using the listener from Firebase. Therefore, when fetching, having new chat display, it will update it automatically. And that's it for my part. Thank you very much for listening.